What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today I'm headed off to an epic car meet and cruise. It's hosted by a crew called Apex Circuit. Really excited for this. There should be some really nice cars and some really awesome enthusiasts that I know of. Fashion Gray M4, I'll throw his Instagram up on the screen somewhere. He's the one that's hosting the entire event, and I'm about to go meet up with Shane, who has the N55 335i, as well as my buddy Rodwell with his E92 M3. We're gonna be cruising out to that meet, and we're just gonna vlog it for you guys. Let's get a little cold start for you guys.
See me, they don't say none, ayy. Ballin' like Draymond, ayy. Black hoodies, Akon, ayy. Real niggas, they want.
So we just pulled up to the spot. We got here pretty early, so there's not that many cars. Obviously, we're waiting on everybody to pull through.
Yeah, Playboy, Shawti. All alone in my room, and she getting naughty. Call my phone if you need to talk to somebody. And I know that my soul ain't for everybody. Yeah, tell me lies and don't say you're sorry. Take it off when you dance, let me feel your body. I know you all for the bands when you in a party. You got a 30 in your hand, chased it with Bacardi. Yeah, ooh, Playboy, Shawty. All alone in my room and she getting naughty. Call my phone if you need to talk to somebody. And I know that my soul ain't for everybody.
We got the boy Mathin right here. What's up, dude?
How's it going, brother?
Good, man. Good, man.
You excited for me today?
I'm extremely excited, dude. I've been looking forward to this for a while now, so, you know.
I know you see that Supra.
Oh, yeah, that's Supra.
I know you see that.
I know you've been eyeing that Supra, bro. That red one right there.
So you're gonna get a roll race with him, right?
A roll race? Yeah, dude. You know, he's probably like, what, 850 wheel?
That's basically the Euro
and I'm
Supra,
just,
so
oh, yeah. You know, I got the big top mount single turbo on it.
Gotta get the roller, bro.
Oh, yeah. So this beautiful Porsche Cayman GT4. I absolutely love these cars, especially in the silver. Got the carbon ceramic brakes on it. These are manual transmission only. It's got a really nice rear wing on it. And yeah, these look sweet.
Here we go,
vlog
man.
section. So the cruise is about to commence. Yes, sir. And do you have any final words?
Bro, I'm just ready to go. It's about to be
Dude, same. I'm excited. I'm just hoping my car doesn't overheat. That's the big thing.
If your car overheats, bro, we'll leave in the dust. Is that cool?
Yeah, that sounds good, actually. That sounds good. So apparently this is the roller car, this old school Toyota Sienna. We're gonna be doing the roller shots. And then we've got an entire lineup of cars stretching all the way down. Pretty sweet. Clean ass M235, another F30 335, another F30 335, Porsche Cayman GT4, E92 M3, tons of sick ass cars. Alright, gents, so I'm currently situated behind the Cayman GT4 as well as an F30 328i. There's a lot of cars and just a lot of backfiring, but so far pretty fun, pretty cool. Alright guys, well that was an insane 25 miles of cruising down the 405. We were going pretty fast and that was intense, but a lot of fun hanging out with all the other fellow enthusiasts on the cruise and whatnot. It's just really hot out, that's the only thing, but the weather's nice and cool over here because we're near the beach, so that's good. Guys, listen to how loud Shane's car is. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so loud. Ow, god damn, that hurts my ears. Ow. We just made it to the first stop on the cruise. This dude trying to do another vlogception. Oh.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up, dude? How you doing?
Really clean shot.
How you doing?
How's it going, sir?
Hell yeah, dude. I'm doing good. How are you?
Hey, shout out Simply Car Things. Like, follow, subscribe.
Hey, shout out Mathin Enix right here.
Hit that notification, you know?
Yeah.
Get the bell.
Hell yeah. For those of you that aren't aware, Shane, you guys have seen his car. He has the Mojave Brown Metallic M55 335. He just got a Pure Stage 2 turbo installed in it. And look at this engine bay. It's literally bone stock. You would never be able to know that he's literally pushing around 500 horsepower to the wheels on this thing. Don't be like that. at that AMG CLS 63. That thing is insane. His plates say what C63 and there's a CLS 63 right in front of him. Made it to the final spot on the cruise. I apologize if there is some wind noise right now. It is pretty windy and the cars are loud. I really need a wind muff on my camera, but my camera actually died while we were driving to the last checkpoint, so I couldn't really swap the battery while I was driving because I didn't have a passenger with me. It kind of sucked, but we've made it. So which one would you guys take? We got the blue 458 Spider right here, white 488 GTB, and we also have the red F430. They're all pretty clean. What do you think of these cars, bro?
Man, I think these cars are nice, bro. I'm gonna have one never.
I'm gonna have one tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow.
You're coming back tomorrow, right?
Coming back tomorrow. I'm about to drop off the briefcase.
Me and Rod are coming tomorrow with a briefcase full of cash. We're gonna pick up all three of these actually.
You know,
should be pretty cool.
Just simply car things, right?
Yeah, simply car things. Yeah. So that is going to conclude it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you were able to make it to the very end of this video, I am so tired right now because I've been up editing this video, just trying to get it all finished, as you can see. But once again, I would just like to lend a huge shout out and thanks to Apex Circuit, to Jason, to Romton, to Zuhair, to all the guys that I met up with today, to Shane, to Rod, to Mathin. All of you guys are the homies. It was really fun. It was a great day overall, and I can't wait for the next one. For those of you watching, I genuinely hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, Simply Car Things. With all that being said, catch you all in the next one. Later.
Yeah, Playboy Shawti, all alone in my room and she getting naughty. Call my phone if you need to talk to somebody, and I know that my soul ain't for everybody.